Welcome to the sailing canoe. Just sailing off of Waikiki, very nice to Diamond Head, lay off. Beautiful day. Off of Waikiki. Gotta see any scissors. And then look what we picked up. A bird. Flew right over to us. Already shit on Paul's shirt.
That's what happens when you have a parrot living on your shoulder and get bird shit on your back.
Parakeets off Waikiki.
Oh, this is fun with Paul. We're out here sailing off Waikiki and minding our own business, and this cockatiel flies up and lands on me.
Oh!
What are you doing, huh? We gotta get you back to the beach, dude. Huh? Where's your family?
He bashes the boat, doesn't he? It's awesome.
I'm trying to think, he's not gonna like this, but he's gonna fly away again, and he's like, "Hello."
Social distancing. We found a stowaway off of Waikiki. Little parakeet.
Where you going, bird? Where you going? Huh?
I try to steer the boat and this parakeet jumps on me. Little parakeet off of Waikiki Beach, Hawaii. Here, Paul, take her. She likes the boat.
Someone didn't trim its wings and he flew away. Now he's like, fuck, where's my house?
Fucking lost at sea.
He's heading downwind. You're gonna die, dude, if you don't stay with us. You know that, right?
Yeah, when I sail, and I like to come with a parakeet as much as possible.
You're not a sailing man unless you got a parrot.
You're not a real sailor unless you got a parrot on your shoulder. Come here. Come here.
Come on, bird.
Do it.